Good morning, students. So we were solving this chapter, exponents and powers. Yesterday I have explained some laws of this chapter. Yes. So today we are going to solve the exercise. Some of the questions, that means question number 1 and question number 2. Till question number 2 I have explained yesterday. Today we are going to solve the remaining questions. So let's begin the exercise. So question number 3. Simplify and express the result in the power notation with positive exponents. Power. What is the meaning of power? 2 to the power 3. That means you have to solve the answer only up to power. Don't expand it. That means 2 to the power 3, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. No need to do this. Why? Because the answer should be in power. So the question is 2 to the power minus 1 divide 2 to the power minus 2 bracket whole power is minus 3. So first what you will solve? You will solve the bracket. Okay. So just see what I have told, one property of division. What? That in division, if this base is same, in division, if the base is same, then the powers are subtracted. The powers are subtracted. So just see, the base are same, 2, 2. We will write it one time. The powers are minus 1 and minus 2. So what we will do? We will subtract the powers. Why? Because here division sign is there. So minus 1 minus, what we have to subtract? Minus 2. Bracket power is there minus 3. Okay, then 2. The power is minus 1, then minus minus plus 2. Okay, then 2. So if you will subtract 1 from 2, what you will get? 1. And the power will be positive. Why? Because the 2 is greater and it is positive. So the power is minus 3. Now just see, it is in the form of 2 to the power m multiply n. If it is in this form, then powers are multiplied. So 2 to the power 1 multiply minus 3. What we will get? 2 to the power minus 3. Now 2 to the power minus 3. If I have to change this power in the form of positive, what I will do? I will do the reciprocal. 1 upon 2 to the power 3. As in the question, it is explained that we have to leave our answer in power, in the form of power. So just the answer will be 1 upon 2 to the power 3. Okay. Now next question, minus 2 upon 3 to the power 3 multiply minus 2 upon 3 to the power minus 4. Then curly bracket to the power minus 2. Whole power is minus 2. Now, as I explained in our previous class, what? When the base is same, that is minus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3, then if the powers are given, then the powers are added. For example, a to the power m multiply a to the power n. What it will become? A to the power m plus n. In multiply, the powers are added. Yes? So, as the base is same, we will write minus 2 by 3. The power is 3. As multiply sign is there, so which sign will be there? Positive sign. Plus bracket minus 4. So minus 2 by 3. Then 3 plus minus minus 4. Just subtract 3 from 4. What we will get? Minus 1. Why minus 1? Because minus 4. 4 is greater and which sign it is having? Minus sign. That's why. The whole power is minus 2. It will go as it is. Similarly, now which case? A to the power m to the power n. When the powers are in this form, then the powers are multiply. So minus 2 by 3 minus 1 multiply minus 2. If you will multiply minus 1 by 2, what you will get? 2, because minus minus plus 2. Okay, so minus 2 by 3 to the power 2. Or how you can write? Just see, if you will solve it, minus 2 multiply 2 upon 3 multiply 3. So as the power is even, so minus minus plus, you can write it in the form of 2 by 3 to the power 2, or you can leave your answer here only. Okay. Now next question, find the value of each of the following. The question is 2 by 5 to the power minus 3, 4 upon 15 to the power 2, 7 upon 225 to the power 0. Here we can't apply this case that if the powers are in multiple, then the powers are added. Why we can't apply this case here? Because the base are different. Just see, 2 by 5, 4 by 15, 7 upon 225. So separately we will solve it. Okay. So as here the power is negative, so what we will do? We will do the reciprocal. 1 upon 2 upon 5 to the power 3. It will remain as it is because the power is positive. Then here 7 upon 225 to the power 0. This indicates that 7, the power of 7 is 0, as well as the power of 225 is 0. Okay. Now here, if we will do the reciprocal, what it will become? 5 by 2, and the power will become positive. Similarly, 4 upon 15 to the power 2. Now here, yesterday I have explained, if any number is having the power 0, then the answer will be 1. So 7 to the power 0, 1, 225 to the power 0, 1. Now it indicates that the power of 5 is 3, as well as the power of 2 is 3. So we will multiply 5 3 times, 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. Similarly 2, 1, 2, 3 times. Then here the power of 4 is 2, we will multiply 4 2 times. The power of 15 is 2, we will multiply 15 2 times. Then 1 upon 1. Now just see, 5 3s are 50, 5 3s are 15, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, and 2 2. So what is left here? 5 and 2. 5 multiply 2, 3 multiply 3. So 5 2s are 10, 3 3s are 9. What is the answer? 10 upon 9. Now next question, evaluate. 2 to the power 0 plus 3 to the power minus 1, and it is given in bracket. Multiply 4 to the power minus 1. So as it is given in bracket, so first we will solve what? Bracket. What we will solve first? Bracket. So 2 to the power 0 indicates 1. Yes, any number is having power 0, what it will become? 1. 3 to the power minus 1. So if I have to change this negative power, so what I will do? I will do the reciprocal of this number. So 1 plus 1 upon 3 in bracket form. Similarly, 4 to the power minus 1, I will do reciprocal of this number. Then the LCM of 3 and 1 will be 3. 1 multiply 3, we will get 3. 3 multiply 1 and 1 multiply 1, we will get 1. First what we will solve? We will solve bracket. So 3 plus 1, 4 upon 3. Multiply 1 upon 4. So 4 and 4 will get cancelled. What will remain? 1 upon 3 is the answer. Now next question. 2 to the power minus 1 minus 4 to the power minus 1 minus 6 to the power minus 1 divide 3 upon 2 to the power minus 2. So as all the variables are different, we cannot apply the property that in division what? The powers are subtracted. Okay. Now just see, all the powers are negative. What we will do? We will do reciprocal. 1 upon 2, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 6 and 2 upon 3. Okay, to the power 2. Here the powers are in the form of 1, so it will remain as it is. Now bracket. First what we will solve? Bracket. Yes. So the LCM of 2, 4, 6 will be 12. 2 6 are 12, 4 3 are 12, 6 2 are 12. So 3 and 2 are negative. Just add 3 plus 2, what we will get? 5. So 6 minus 5 upon 12. It will go as it is. 6 minus 5, 1. 1 upon 12. Divide. 2 multiply 2, 4. 3 multiply 3, 9. So 1 upon 12. Divide 4 upon 9. 1 upon 12. Divide 4 upon 9. If I have to change this divide sign into multiply sign, what I will do? I will do the reciprocal of this number. And it will change into 9 by 5, 9 upon 4 form. So 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. What I will get? 3 1s are 3, 4 4s are 16. The required answer will be 3 upon 16. Now, next question. 1 to the power minus 3 minus 1 upon 2 to the power minus 2 plus 1 upon 3 to the power minus 1, then minus 1 upon 4 to the power 0. Okay, so the reciprocal of 1 upon 1 to the power 3, then again the reciprocal of this, because the powers are negative, so what you will do? You will do the reciprocal of this number. Yes, 1 upon 2 to the power minus 2. So this 2 will go up if you will reciprocate it, and the power will become positive. Again 1 upon 3 to the power minus 1, then the 3 will go up. Then if any power is 0, what will come? 1. And these signs will remain as it is. So 1, the cube of 1 will be 1. 2 square 4. Then plus 3 to the power 1, 3. Then minus 1. Now just see, positive, positive, negative, negative. So we'll take positive numbers on one side and negative numbers on one side. Then 1 plus 3, 4, and minus 4 and minus 1, minus 5. Subtract 4 from 5, what we will get? Minus 1. Why minus sign will be there? Because 5 is bigger than 4 and 5, the sign of 5 is negative. Okay, which sign will be there? Before sign will be there. Just see, the sign won't change, it will go as it is. Which sign will be there? Negative. So dear students, please solve this exercise in your notebook, the remaining answers. Thank you.